Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Carnitine. L-Carnitine is a naturally occurring amino acid derivative that plays a crucial role in energy production. It helps transport fatty acids into your cell's mitochondria, where they are burned for fuel. This process is vital for various bodily functions, especially during exercise. Understanding its basic function is the first step to using it effectively. L-Carnitine offers several potential benefits for your health and fitness. It's well known for its role in supporting fat metabolism, helping your body convert fat into usable energy. Many individuals also find it beneficial for enhancing exercise recovery and potentially improving athletic performance. Furthermore, it may contribute to the overall health of your heart and brain, making it a versatile supplement. When considering L-Carnitine, typical dosages often range from 500 milligrams to 2,000 milligrams per day, depending on your individual needs and goals. You can find it in various forms, including convenient capsules, liquid solutions, and powders that mix easily. For optimal absorption, it's generally recommended to take L-Carnitine with meals. Always consult a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement regimen. While L-Carnitine is generally well tolerated, some individuals might experience mild side effects such as nausea or diarrhea. It's crucial to select a reputable brand to ensure you're getting a high-quality product. Remember, L-Carnitine is not a magic solution for weight loss. It works best when combined with a balanced diet and a consistent exercise routine. Consistency and a holistic approach are key to achieving your desired outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.